is the difference between Filipino men and foreign men? Light skin and
Matangos ang ilong.
they have a pointy nose.
Filipino is
Filipino have this kind of attitude that
For
Tapos,
Diana May, foreign men, they tend to know how to. Hi! Welcome to the FUENTES Family Channel. My name is Lori. In today's video, we are going to interview Filipinas from Goa, Bicol, Philippines, and ask them what's the difference between Filipino men and foreign men. What is your name?
Angelica po.
Angelica. Nice to meet you, Angelica. That's a very beautiful name, Angelica. How old are you, Angelica?
I'm 21 po.
21. Are you still studying?
Yes po.
College?
Yes.
What course are you taking?
Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management.
Wow, that's beautiful. Are you single or you're in a relationship?
I'm in a relationship.
Boyfriend.
Yes.
Wow. Okay. So anyway, Angelica, here is the question. In your opinion, what is the difference between Filipino men and foreign men? The differences between the two?
Sa tingin ko wala naman, pero siguro sa sa physical appearance. Siyempre, di ba pag Pinoy sinabi maitim, pag foreigner maputi, matangos ang ilong. Yun, parang doon lang naman sila nagkakaiba. Pero yung sa pagtrato naman, depende na rin yan sa sa lalaki.
Depends on the lalaki. Okay. So what Angelica said is there's really nothing like difference between the two, right? Because when it comes to like how they treat people, it really depends to the person, really depends to the man, right? Or to the man. But when it comes to physical, yeah, you'll see the differences, right? Because foreigners, they tend to be like white or, they're light skin, and then they have like, what did you say? Light skin and
Matangos ang ilong.
they have a pointy nose, and then they're tall compared to Filipinos. They have dark skin and
Pango.
they have flat nose, or not pointy nose, and
Maliit.
they're small. What is your name?
I'm Ashley Junvi Alvarez.
Ashley. That's a very beautiful name and very cute as well. Ashley, nice to meet you. How old are you, Ashley?
I'm 20 years old po.
20 years old. Are you still studying?
Yes po.
Oh, are you in college now?
Yes po.
What course are you taking?
I'm taking BS Biology po.
BS Biology. Wow, that's beautiful. What year are you now in college?
I'm in second year college.
Second year college. That's beautiful. Are you single or you're in a relationship?
In a
In a
relationship.
relationship. Boyfriend, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So anyway, Ashley, here is the question. In your opinion, what is the difference between Filipino men and foreign men?
For me po, the difference between Filipino men and foreign men are, of course, their physical appearance po. More on Filipino men po kasi is more on moreno sila, and more on our based on them is in the attitude po when it comes to in love. And of course, in the foreign men naman po, they have good looks po, and they have more efforts in love po, ganon. And Filipino men pa po is more on the cultural way in
Showing love.
showing their love po, ganon.
Okay. Okay, what Ashley said is when it comes to physical, Filipino men, they have like dark skin, right? Moreno. Okay, and in foreigner, they're more on good looking, right? And then when it comes
But
to
of course po, Filipino men is good looking too.
but with dark skin, right?
Yes,
Dark skin. But there are also other foreign men that are like moreno,
Yes,
like
po.
they also have dark skin, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. And when it comes to in a relationship, you said foreign men are, what did you say earlier? They are
They are good looking po,
no,
and
when it comes to in a relationship,
I think they have more efforts pa po.
they're more okay. How about Filipino men?
They have efforts din po, but in a cultural way po, like
Cultural way.
they're doing now like haranas like that. Pero minsan na lang po 'yan nagagawa ngayon sa sa modern world natin po ngayon.
I see. So what she's trying to say is that when it comes to relationship, foreigners, they're caring the same thing with Filipino men, but Filipino men, they're more like showing you, giving you love in a Filipino way, right? Like for example, harana, but not mostly. She mentioned that not all men now, like not all Filipino men are doing that, but others they do, right? Okay, harana is like you go to the house of your girlfriend and then you sing, right? Yes. So that's the difference, right? The difference is okay. How about attitude?
In attitude po, more on Filipino have this kind of attitude that they respect. They respect women. And also, in foreigners din po, they respect women in different ways po kasi.
What is your name po?
Emily.
Emily. That's a
Yes.
very beautiful name. Nice to meet you po, Ma'am Emily. How old are you, Ma'am Emily?
I'm 30. Yes. 30. Turning 31.
Wow, you don't look like you're 30. Okay,
Thank
Ma'am,
you.
are you married or you're single?
I'm married.
You're married. With kids?
Yes, one.
Wow. Okay, so, Ma'am Emily, here is the question. In your opinion, what is the difference between Filipino men and foreign men?
Siguro sa sa relationship, mas feeling ko lang mas caring yung mga foreign kaysa Oo. Tsaka mas sila, mas open sila. Kasi sa mga Pinoy kasi sila minsan patago sila yung in terms sa magselos, sa jealousy, mas open yung mga foreign men.
Okay, so what Mom Emily said is when it comes to in a relationship, foreign men are more caring than Filipino men.
Showy.
They're more showy. Well, I'll agree with you. My husband is like that too. Anyway, the second one that she said is that foreign men, they're more open than Filipino men. Like when it comes to jealousy, they're more open and attitude. Their attitude.
Mas mas mabilis silang feeling ko lang, mas mabilis mapikon yung mga Pinoy kaysa sa mga foreign. Mas feeling ko yung mga foreigner mas mahaba yung pasensya nila.
Wow. So when it comes to attitude, foreign men they have long patience or they have the patience, right? Compared to Filipino men. What is your name?
Diana May J. Bornal.
Diana May. That's a very beautiful name. Nice to meet you, Diana May. How old are you, Diana?
20.
20. Are you single or you're in a relationship?
In a relation.
Boyfriend? Oh, this is the typical Filipina. Okay, so anyway, are you still studying
Yes.
college? What course are you taking?
BSOA.
What is that?
Third year. Bachelor of Science in Office Administration.
Wow. And you are in your third year, right? One more year and you will graduate. Well, congratulations in advance. Okay, here is the question, Diana May. In your opinion, what is the difference between Filipino men and foreign men?
Para sa akin, ang foreigner na lalaki, iyo po ito. So, mga
They're what?
iyo po ito. So, mas may po sa pakikitungo sa mga babae.
Mas may ano?
Mas tatao po mag-care.
So, for Diana May, foreign men, they tend to know how to care. They know more how to care women, right?
Yes.
Okay, and what else?
Tapos, pag mga, for me po, based po sa mga experience ko, na sa nakapaligid sa ko, ang mga lalaki po ay sa Filipinas. Deman po gabos. Pero, may mga cheater, ganun.
Oh, so based on Diana May's experience, like from the Filipino men here, she's not saying the generalizing everyone, but she said some of them are cheaters, right? How about foreigner men? Do you think they cheat too?
Maybe.
Maybe. You're not sure, right?
Yes.
You're very tall. How tall are you?
5'8".
5'8". Wow. She can join a pageant, right? Right, Diana May?
Yes.
Yes. How old? I mean, what is your name?
Marjorie Felicity.
Marjorie. Very beautiful name. Nice to meet you, Marjorie. How old are you, Marjorie?
20.
21. Are you still studying? The same with the same course?
No.
No, what is your course?
BSN. But
BSN. Oh, so you're gonna be a teacher. Wow. Okay, and what year are you now?
third year.
Third year. One more year and you will graduate too, right? Well, congratulations in advance. The same thing with Diana May. You're gonna be you'll graduate soon. One more year, right? Okay, anyway, are you single or you're in a relationship?
Single.
Oh, she's single. Okay. So she's single. Okay. Here's the question, Marjorie. In your opinion, what is the difference between Filipino men and foreign men? In your opinion?
Mag-agree po ako sa friend ko na na itong mas mas showy mag-care ang mga foreigner kaysa Filipino.
So she will agree to her friend that foreigners, they're more showy in showing their love and their care to their partner, right? I see. How about the attitude?
I think mas
Ano bang ugali ng mga foreigner kay compared to or the difference is sa pag-ugali kang duwa, Pinoy tsaka foreigner?
may mga depende po sa minsan may foreigner kaya na mabuot and yun nga ma-care siya tas garo dain nangungulog physically pero may mga din na nangungulog sila physically.
Okay, I see. So it really depends, right? She said that there are also foreigners that are kind. There are also other that are abusive, just like what you said, right? Abusive. And then yeah, and there's also Filipino like that, right?
Yes.
Well, thank you so much, Marjorie and Diana. Thank you so much for having this interview with us.